Members of the Shillong Press Club had gathered on 29 September 2021 to pay their respects and condole the death of senior journalist Tilak Rai, who had passed away on 28 September after a prolonged illness. Self-made journalist Tilak Rai had started his career in 1990 with the Khasi daily Ulum Shillong that was published by Bindo Lanong. Later, for a brief period, he joined the Shillong Times and the Meghalaya Guardian, and later the Indian Express in 1997. In 2003, Tilak Rai launched the Evening Mail and went on to start the online news portal O Meghalaya in 2008. To all who knew him, he was a mentor to CUP journalists and would never hesitate to lend a helping hand to anyone who would approach him for any kind of help, be it professional or personal. He is considered to be a brother to all, and with his friendly and compassionate nature, he was loved, in fact adored, not only by members of the press fraternity, but even by the bureaucrats and other prominent figures in society. During the condolence meeting, the president of the Shillong Press Club, David O. Lightplang, recalled late Tilak Rai's contribution to the fraternity and to fellow journalists.
It's very difficult. The heart says, it just can't be. But then we have to accept God's will. So I feel that we ought to celebrate him because we only have pleasant memories of Tilak. Some naughty ones as well. We have them all. He came in all sizes and packages and colors and hue and shades. So let's celebrate his life and life.
Other members who spoke during the meeting shared their experiences of their association with the late journalist. A 1-minute silence was observed to pay respect to the departed soul.
That was in 2001. When after that, we were totally intimated in such a way that we walked together for quite a few years together. And then after that, we had some miscommunication. But then we did rejoin again in 2003 and then ahead. So to recall about Tilak's past way of life, he was always jolly. Try to find out faults, even when we are trying to do the right things as well, so that he can correct us in such a way that he has moved along throughout his profession. As a friend, he has always been encouraging. He has been a friend who has been such that in this profession is one of that I can't mention the details of what he has contributed in developing my professional life in those years.
Cái bà ngang yo cái gì cái nó bảo thì là long bà bà nghĩ đơn này cam cũng nó thọ không bon nghĩ đây bớt một thọ bà nghĩ bên pe cũng nó bên nhiều không bon bà nhìn chú sao liền và bên ông bà mình suy nghĩ đi Shillong mình biết mình thọ không bon, persiap pada yang tahu beriu. Kata kaji hikai ke bangi yo, kung gino thọ không bon. Ngimday bong ba man step ngadi Shillong ba do man mit to inom tho sho ta kata ka jing kai ka bang na yo no ta hado man ta nga persang ya bande bande ha ga jing bolong bun sna man ya kam ki to bun ni bre ngai when it comes to profession ha ka kam ga bang itre nimla ban ong ni ba prolong anda wan ku bo nga ma shi ban tho ta ga jing kai ta nasim hala de ba kan ya gede ka jihika ga bang ayo no kepala pelong yang kai ban persang ban bat ya kata ha teng imla ning
but then obviously he would not shy away to sit with us and discuss things. And the one best part about Tilak is that his one loud voice would always fight for the fraternity. If there's anything which will attack the fraternity, he's one guy who would not back out. He would be there right in front, and he would be the loudest voice. So that's one thing that I miss Tilak, and we would laugh together, and we would laugh at him sometimes. We would look at him, but then nobody would have that daring and that guts, as to say, to stand like he stands. So that was what I see in Tilak, and he as a like Star said, a pioneer in this field. I feel I was privileged to have started my journey in this profession in those days, to have met and to have the opportunity to share ideas with him and got tips from him and learn from people like him and many others who've left us. So these are the few things that I remember about Tilak. And yes, other times, the times that we've laughed together, we've fought together, many times we would fight also. But then he was one guy who was always jolly. He was always he would always a person with a helping hand. He would never hesitate to help anyone.